The leaves lie long on the ground. The ones that lie longest lie deep, deep into the grass. The ones that lie longest lie deepest. The leaves lie deep, then they blow away, or they roll away. Not exactly, but the dry edge gently scratches the ground as it is pushed forward by an almost insignificant little grass wind. The grass, or to be more specific, the blades of grass. Some grass blades were yellow. Some grass blades were brighter. Some grass blades had lost all their colors, and in the end, all the grass blades shall lose all their colors. The leaves lie there, and then they stay there. They stay there, and the white foam stretches forth and back, more forth and back. The rain is wet, and it falls on the ground, and everything becomes darker, and the grass becomes greener. It becomes dark green. It is all dark green, dark greener. And the trees over there, and the bushes, the trees and the bushes, they stand together. And then suddenly, a little ant climbs from one berry to another berry. Many berries, many spots. And the skinny branch stretched out of the bark of the tree. Its skin was white, and there was an ugly spot, but hardly noticeable. How pathetic! When the doves fly from one spot to another spot, the leaves fly too, because the doves fly over the leaves, and a wind is created that lifts the leaves up, but they cannot make it. They fall down again. Down! The leaves cannot fly!
If you look close, you can see that the leaves were weak. They were weak to you. They looked nervous. Shit. The grasses are so many and so big. And the sound they make, the scratching against each other, rustling, tingling, tickling the sound and they rise upwards, leaning in the wind to the left, but their roots are attached to the ground, so they stay there. Only what is on top of the grass. The soft, reddish, brownish top brush of the grass touches the air, tickles the air, teases the air. It pulls after the air. But no, they cannot make it. And all the trees have the same problem. And all the bushes have the same problem. Yet reaching up. But the air is not the blue sky. The air is what the top